got some new parts here for the Willys. Got this new 12-volt alternator, and it is a one-wire alternator. So, if I flip this over, there's that tab there, and you just hook that with a wire, which I have one here that came with it. Just run that from that tab to your positive terminal on your battery. This has a built-in fusible link, so if something ever goes wrong, that'll pop and disconnect it before it blows up your battery or electrical system. So, I guess that was kind of a weird intro. But anyways, this whole kit I got from Classic Military Vehicles, and I got this. This is their own Made in USA bracket adapter. Bolt that onto your engine block, and then a upper bracket with the adjuster. This will work. This kit's for L or F head motors. And then the alternator, like I already explained, one wire, so it's super easy to wire and hook up. And has the correct 5/8 V-belt pulley for these Jeep motors. And it's designed, since the Willys engine's red line at $4,000, it's designed to generate power at lower RPMs, which is good, because these engines do not make high RPMs. So, I'm going to get that installed. So the first step is I'm going to get this old generator and its bracket tree pulled off. And now that bracket, I believe, is going to be the best one. It's the best one I could find on the market. And the nice thing is, this, see how long that snout is between the pulley to the actual alternator? So this bracket just comes, the original bracket comes straight off, where my new one actually bends out so that it'll actually be in line with your belt, because the alternators are so much shorter pulleys compared to the generator. And yeah, I'm going to start wrenching. I like how this one wire, they didn't even have a crimp-on eyelet. It's literally just the wire wrapped around the bolt. There. One generator disassembled, uninstalled. Alright, another thing that makes this new bracket super slick is originally they have the engine mount which is what the brackets original and new bolt to. They have a super huge hole in it, and then to fill that, they have this rubber bushing with this gigantic bolt with a flat shank, then gets smaller into the threads, so it slides together like that, which that's really soft rubber on something that can't move. That's going to be under a lot of tension with the belt. That starts wiggling around, you're going to lose your adjustment, and the belt's going to wear weird. It's just going to be dumb. The new kit comes with this nice hard plastic insert that you go in. That'll hold it so much tighter, there's no way it'll move around. It's going to be a much nicer idea. So now I have the generator completely pulled out, all the bolts out, and I'm going to stick in the new bracket. First step is this plastic bushing that goes into that hole. It's going to be a little bit tight, you might have to hammer it in. Plastic bushing going in. Just gently tap it in. Very nice. Slide this end in. Put the other bolt in. And of course the phone has to start ringing. Got those two bolts in. There. That's mo better. Lock washers and nuts. Okay, both of those are in there. Now I just got to get them tightened up. Put a wrench on to hold it. Alrighty, got the bottom and the top bracket in. So now I'm going to get the alternator. Okay, the alternator is all bolted in. It looks really good, and it is nice and tight and really solid. I'm really happy with how that turned out. So I'm going to get the battery put back in, hook up the wire, and then test it. Got the wire pigtail and fusible linked. Hook up to my positive battery terminal. Super easy to wire. Installation went pretty good. It's a little bit tricky to reach some of the bolt all the way back there for the top mount. It's kind of tight getting in there, but everything clears. It looks and works really well. So now I'm going to start it up and make sure it's charging. So first, sit on a tripod and do a test, see what the battery is right now. Y'all can see that. I'm going to put this on. Is up. You guys can't see that. So sideways, but 12.48 is what it's reading right now. So I'm going to give this thing a start up. Test it again. 14.49. So, we'll shut this off again. And it is charging. Gained another 2 volts above, not off. So that's a good charge. And yeah, hopefully now the winch will be able to work, because I tried it the other day, pulled the Jeep about 10 feet, and the battery was dying. So hopefully with the new alternator, it'll keep on charging, work really good. Alright, thank you guys for watching. That was another big step in getting Flossy done. In case you don't know, I'm trying to get this Jeep ready for the Bantam Jeep Heritage Festival, which is less than 3 months away. I'm trying to do a complete mechanical refresh. So if you like this video and you want to see more content of this Jeep, hit that subscribe button. It really helps out my channel, helps me make better content for you guys to enjoy. And if you want to see more Jeep videos, go check out Lee Hopkins Enterprises, linked in the description below. He's doing a build series of his 97 Wrangler. He's also trying to get it ready for Bantam, and he's got some really cool videos. Go subscribe to him, and thank you again for watching.